What's going on, everyone? Happy Wednesday. Sai here once again for the trade of the day. I wanted to bring a financial institution to the table. Today, they just announced that they are going to actually be facilitating the sale of a franchise, NFL franchise, the Washington Commanders. One of my favorite banks, Bank of America. They're the second largest financial institution behind JP Morgan in regards to deposits, in regards to wealth management, assets under management. One of the largest wealth management companies. They were able to acquire Merrill Lynch, an investment firm in '09. Of course, they got it at a steep discount because of the financial crisis. I also remember during that time, I was in college, the stock price dipped to about $2.50, I want to say. So, yeah, this bank has been through a lot, but under the leadership of Brian Moynihan, who I had the honor and pleasure of meeting not too long ago, very humble guy. I can definitely see under his leadership why they were so successful. I love some of the partnerships they have in the arts, having a corporate partnership with Carnegie Hall, having a partnership with the Smithsonian. They're actually one of the founding partners of the Smithsonian Museum in DC. So that's pretty cool as well. Just putting their footprint out when it comes time for, helping entrepreneurs. They just released not too long ago a program for minorities in regards to first-time homebuyers. So, I'm pretty sure that will be successful. If not, they're a bank, so they'll be fine. They'll bounce back. And that's another thing. Banks are always, well, more times than not, be profitable. You see interest rates are on the rise. The news just came out that the Fed is raising it another 75 basis points. So money is more expensive. So the product that they're selling is more expensive. So the banks are definitely going to be on the receiving end of this here. Of course, Bank of America is coming out with strong numbers. Their technology software that allows their consumers to manage their money called Erica, I believe it started in either 2017, 2018. They're getting about a 1.5 million active users per day. So they're adapting the technology. So I wanted to make this the trade of the day. It is past market closing hours. It's 5:20 at this very moment. So, of course, right now, the prices that you're going to see with me facilitating just certain trades, whether you're bullish or bearish, obviously that's not going to change at this moment because the market is closed. This isn't advice. I'm not advising you to do anything. I'm not a registered broker or an advisor. This is just research that I've done on my own. So, definitely consult professional experience, from your financial advisors and whatnot. But I love Bank of America. I'm bullish on Bank of America. Whether you're bullish or bearish, I'm going to continuously show you how to place those trades that way you can carry out your bias, whether you want to add it to your portfolio or you just want to, short it for a short amount of time. Of course, if you're bullish, the easiest and simplest way, once again, is just to buy stock. The stock is one of the cheapest in the financial sector for its size, closed today at $36.09. So that's something you might want to jump on while you can. Next dividend, as you see here, is coming up December 1st. That's a good day. It's my Nana's birthday. Rest in peace. But of course, you have your option chain here. Of course, you can go out 807 days. Looks like you got some good volume if you wanted to make those trades, get in and get out. You can sit, you can, be bullish, be bearish for that time. But of course, I typically try to go 44 days out, a ton of volume here, which is good. Like I said, the stock price is at $36. You'll see that gray dot here is going to let you know. IV volatility is giving you this range where it's projected within the next 44 days to stay between $34 and $39. Nothing is guaranteed. It's just a metric. It's just a factor that's giving you something to make a decision. Now, if you want to be bullish, like I said, you can just buy that stock. But if you want to leverage options contracts, once again, you can simply sell that put, which is my favorite. You'll make money if the stock price increases, stays the same, or decreases just a little bit. We're selling that put. This is not, like I said, investment advice. If I just click on a $33 strike, that delta is 0.22 delta. So, that gives you some indication that you have an 80% probability of profit. And this is if you wanted to sell that put. If you want to, reduce your buying power, go ahead and add that call spread. That way you're selling a put spread, you're defining your risks, you're reducing your profits, of course, because you're defining your risk, but you can also add that there. If you want to go $5 wide, you can just drag your strikes. And of course, you have that put spread in place, or you can simply buy a call. Right, let's go ahead and buy that call. Let me change this leg here because we're selling. Buy that call, stock price increases, same bias where you want that stock price to increase. But of course, with that debit, theta isn't on your side. So you're losing that time decay and whatnot. If you're bearish, go ahead and short the stock. If you don't want to short the stock, go ahead and buy that put. And we're going to adjust the strike prices here. Wherever you feel that the stock price isn't going to pass or whatever strike that you feel the stock price isn't going to breach, you would carry that out here with the call. Of course, if you want to buy that put spread, you can buy that put spread as well, or you can sell that call. What we're going to do, sell that call, adjust your strikes accordingly. So you're going to, like I said, for the bullish aspect of it, you can buy the stock, buy a call, excuse me, or sell a put spread or sell a put. Same things I've been showing you in my other videos. I definitely want you to go back the last 2 days. Yesterday, I spoke about Amazon. And so we can sell this call here, or if you want to add that second leg to reduce your risk and reduce your buying power reduction, we can go ahead and sell or buy that call spread. Of course, I'm just going to continue to show you ways on buying, selling, the way to carry out your bias. You know, the Washington Commanders are definitely, or Dan Snyder, more specifically, is facing some pressure. You know, he bought the team in 1999 for $800 million. According to Forbes, the team is now valued at $5.6 billion. So it's one of those things where if he's selling, he's definitely going to get a nice increase, a nice ROI on his investment. At the same time, it's unfortunate that he didn't have a good, I guess, tenure, a good reputation while owning the team. You know, certain allegations, you know, toxic environments. Just 2 weeks ago, the CEO and owner of the Colts came out publicly and said that he needs to be out of the NFL. So that's not a good thing. You know, so with this pressure, public pressure, Bank of America was actually hired to facilitate that sale. I believe it's a good win for Bank of America. What does this mean for them? They're able to make a little bit of money off of the spread of the price. It's just like in a market with market makers. You have your bid-ask spread. This will be no different for Bank of America. So yeah, Bank of America is one of my favorite stocks. I'm definitely bullish on it. Right now, you do have a lot of things working in their favor. Their product that they're selling, which is money, is more expensive, so they're able to make a little bit more off of that. They're actually also one of the largest in regards to mortgages. So they have a lot working for themselves, man. It would be a lot for Bank of America to not be profitable. So right now, like I said yesterday, everything is cyclical, but this is that time for Bank of America, and they're growing at an alarming rate. Yeah, just wanted to bring this to you. Let me know what you think. What do you think about Bank of America? What are some of your favorite financial institutions? Not to mention, they're just about everywhere. There's 3,800 branches. Anywhere you go, it's a Bank of America, just about. What are some of your favorite financial institutions? What do you like about Bank of America? What do you like about this partnership that they have with the Washington Commanders to facilitate the sale? Let me know what you think. Thank you for your time. Like, subscribe. Whatever questions you have, let me know. Peace. Peace.